Okay, so in this function, in this video, I will be discussing one more function, which is an inbuilt function, and which is important for us to know because when I'm planning to cover the loops next, so this will come handy there. So I thought it's better if I cover it in the functions related, topics, so that we'll understand. So this function is called a range function. So the function name is the range function, we call it range function, and we'll see a range. It's so basically it has a start, stop, and step function. So and basically it will a sequence of integer, it produces a sequence of integer, so it is always for integer only when we want to produce the range. So let's start with, let's say I want to create a list of 10 integer, right? So again it will return this tuple, so we have to enclose in a list, so we'll get a integer. So now what we know, that the index from which it starts is always 0 by default, and that word with the number which you mentioned is excluding, the stop number is excluding. So like for example, if I start from 1, so it will create, so I'm asking it to start from 1 and go till 9, and 10 is excluded. So if you want to include 10, we have to add 11. And also if I want to take a even number, so only odd number, so I'll put a step of 2. Okay, so that is how we can generate a list of numbers. Now this becomes very easy when we are doing certain operations. So yeah, so that's all I think on the range function. It's a very important function and simple function. See you in another video.